Yo, so what is up, guys? Thank you for once again clicking on this video, and today I'm going to be putting turbo whistles on my turbo that whistles. So it's kind of a trend going around that people are putting these turbo whistles on their car no matter what it is. I know Cletus McFarland did it on his C7 and Leroy, and I figured I would see what it sounds like on my car, since, you know, it is a turbo out the hood with a massive exhaust that I can, you know, fist and put my arm all the way down. Got a little bit dirty there, but over here I ordered 4 different turbo whistles off of eBay, and you know, they come with a little bracket and whatnot, and how these work is the air or exhaust goes in there and then makes the whistling sound right there. And if I test them out, only one of them doesn't actually whistle. I'm not sure why, but that one works, that one works, that one works. So this one's the one that barely works. But anyways, so I am going to go up to the Subaru dealership because I ordered a part. So I figured it'd be the perfect time to bolt all 4 of these onto the tip of my exhaust right there, and I already test fit them, and all 4 of them will work. So it's just a matter of shoving them in there and tightening them down and making them work. So if we start taking them and setting them in there, this one's kind of loose. That one's going to go down there. And then there's just enough room to fit the last one. Oh, I got to loosen it up. There we go. And if you see right there, we have all 4 of them in there to where all the exhaust is gonna have to go through them. So I'm curious to see how this works with all of them in there. So now all I have to do is tighten them up and see. But my exhaust before doesn't really make exhaust turbo sound. You can definitely hear my spool for sure. You know, you can't really hear it from the cabin, but if you go to my other video, you can definitely hear the whoosh. You know, I'll just add a clip in real quick right there. So you can see that it definitely spools. Ooh, my filter got crushed up a little bit. I wonder what that happened. But I'll go ahead and start it right now without the turbo whistles, and then I'll put them on, and then we'll just go cruise to the dealership and see if we can get any videos. Hopefully they all stay in there, and I wonder if anybody will notice that I have 4 turbo whistles sticking in my exhaust. Now that my car is warmed up for a second, we'll let you just a lot of loud noises. Alright, so now I shove them all back in there. Now we just gonna carefully tighten them down. So this is gonna be the first pull to see if we can hear it. I don't know how much it's going to be able to pick up on camera, but like even right now, like you can hear a little whistle sound, but I'm going to have to do like a drive-by or just revving it from far away with the camera so y'all can see, but it's funny because I can actually hear the turbo whistle. See what it sounds like with two-step. Put the camera out the window. So the reason why I'm going to the dealership is so this is my steering wheel. Whenever I'm driving, it moves like this, and when I turn to the right, it goes down. When I turn to the left, it goes up. And so I'm driving, trying to go fast and whatnot, and then it just wants to keep on moving, and it moves my feet too, like the pedals and everything. So there's a little bushing that goes in the firewall that's supposed to help that. And it started to rain now, and I don't have AC, and my turbo's out in the open. So we're just having a great time around here right now. So everybody asks me, what do I do whenever it rains and I'm driving my car? And there's nothing else I can do but just drive the car. So we're just out here sending it right now. No cares in the world. We got cops. Look at that. We got cops out here trying to write people tickets. Wait, record them. Not even looking at me. Alright, we pulling up to the Subaru dealership now. With it pouring rain. Every time I show up here, everybody always comes outside because they ain't never seen nothing like this. Alright, let's go get this part now, boys. Alright, got my steering bushing right here, so this bad boy just pops into my firewall. Then my steering shaft goes in there, so let's hope that works. And now it's really hot and stuffy in here, but grind it till you find it. Alright, so it's like loudest whenever it like drones almost, so I'm gonna try to brake boost it and see if I can make it sound louder. So I got y'all mounted on my hood, and hopefully y'all don't fall off, but let's see if we can hear it from here, and then I'm going to stop and mount y'all on the windshield, and hopefully y'all don't fall from there either, and let's see if I can get a really good sound clip. Hey, what's up? I'm Upside Down, and I'm wondering why you think you can watch my video without subscribing. So go ahead, go down there and subscribe, and then you'll see the rest. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and follow my 2 Instagrams while you're down there doing that too. And then we'll get to the next part of the video. Okay, peace. Well, hopefully that picks something up, because I just burnt the heck out of my finger trying to take that off of my windshield, because somehow they both got loose, and I guess I had them wedged in together to where if one got loose, the other one got loose, so then they both popped out. I don't think it did any damage to my windshield. I don't know. My windshield's already in a really bad condition anyways, so hopefully y'all enjoyed that. There's one. Oh! Oh no. Oh no. Let's hope I didn't scratch my new wrap. Where'd it hit? Where'd it hit? Alright, you can't tell. That's nice. By the way, look at that. Ooh! So we're gonna take this and put it on something else now.
Wait, you're walking too fast.
So right here is my 2006 V6 3.0 liter Honda Accord, and this is my day. I did a exhaust modification. I deleted the resonator and muffler on it, so we have a perfect look at how small that hole is. That is like the perfect size. So I'm gonna start it up real quick and show y'all what it sounds like without it, and then we're gonna see if it changes it or not. So that was me. Like, these cars for some reason rev out at like 5K until you're actually driving it. But ooh, hear that exhaust go right there? That sounds good. That don't sound nothing like no Honda, but this is still hot. No way. Ow. Alright, so we got it sitting in there.
He wants to come out.
It's too hot. Alright, hey, we gonna test this out.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that sounds like. Well, I was too lazy to do a drive-by, so I just pulled the e-brake in the grass and revved it all the way out and did a burnout. So now I gotta sweep all this dirt up real quick, but hopefully it sounded good. I mean, you could definitely hear it at idle. I don't know about anything after that, but that was kind of cool though. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. How did it get mud right there?
I don't know.
And now she coming back out. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, because I burnt my finger and possibly cracked my windshield by putting these cheap eBay turbo whistles on my already turboed car that makes turbo whistle noises without it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know if y'all liked the video or not, what else y'all want to see. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace.